Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in our solar system. Welcome to the channel. Saturn is a gas giant composed predominantly of hydrogen and helium. It lacks a definite surface, though it is likely to have a solid core. Saturn has a pale yellow hue due to ammonia crystals in its upper atmosphere. An electrical current within the metallic hydrogen layer is thought to give rise to Saturn's planetary magnetic field, which is weaker than Earth's, but which has a magnetic moment 580 times that of Earth due to Saturn's larger size. Saturn has a spectacular ring system, which is composed mainly of ice particles with a smaller amount of rocky debris and dust. It has 8 rings and hundreds of moonlets. Saturn has the most moons of any planet, with 146 known to orbit the planet, of which 63 are officially named. The largest moon, Titan, is bigger than Mercury and has a thick atmosphere. Saturn has the shortest day of any planet, rotating on its axis once every 10 hours and 34 minutes. It takes 29.5 Earth years for Saturn to complete a full orbit around the Sun. Saturn is the flattest planet due to its low density and fast rotation. Its polar diameter is 90% of its equatorial diameter. Saturn is the only planet that is less dense than water. If there was a large enough ocean, Saturn would float on it. The distance between Saturn and Earth is not constant, as both planets orbit the Sun at different speeds and distances. However, the average distance between Saturn and Earth is about 1.2 billion km, 7.5108 miles, which is roughly 7 AU, astronomical units. The minimum distance between Saturn and Earth is about 1.2 billion km, 7.5108 miles, which occurs when both planets are on the same side of the Sun and at their closest points in their orbits. The maximum distance between Saturn and Earth is about 1.7 billion km, 1.11109 miles, which happens when both planets are on opposite sides of the Sun and at their farthest points in their orbits. The temperature on Saturn varies depending on the altitude and the latitude. On average, the surface temperature of Saturn is about 288 degrees, 178 degrees C, which is much colder than Earth. However, as you go deeper into the planet's atmosphere, the temperature increases due to the pressure and the heat generated by the planet's core. The core temperature of Saturn may reach up to 21,000 degrees, 11,700 degrees C, which is hotter than the surface of the Sun. Saturn's temperature also changes with the seasons, which last for about 7 Earth years each. The poles can be up to 10 degrees C colder than the equator during winter. Thanks for watching.